Hi guys, today I will start how to develop your first Android application with using Visual Studio 2010. I have already told you in my first video how to install a Xamarin for the developing Android and iOS applications in the Visual Studio. So suppose you know, then it's okay. Suppose you don't know, then you just refer to my first video how to install the Xamarin in the Visual Studio, and after that will be start with the first application in the Android. So now today we start file, new, projects, this Android, just select in the Visual C Sharp root Android, and just select Android application using .NET Framework 4, and just change the project's name, just my first application, my first application in Android. Now click on OK. Okay. Here's the open your projects. My first application Android. This is activity. Activity is nothing but a form. Suppose you're required to uh, declare a new form, create a new form, then you need to create one another activity. Activity means like one form. So in the Android, is the activity is there. So some library are there using Android. If these predefined are coming, namespace my first application in Android activity, and activity inside the activity I just create one label, and inside the label my first application, this is my header, and the just when required to run this Android application, this is the main launcher true and icon, this is a drawable icon, this is already is there. Drawable folder are there, and inside that icon, this is my I have created this icon because this my form was icon, my form icon. After that public class activity1, and just I need to inherit with activity class, this is predefined class activity, right? Okay. uh, After that, this is on create method, this is on create method, and inside the on create, this is the bundle is there. So this is a predefined code actually, it not needed to create, it does not need to create. I just go to the layouts option, and just inside the layout, this is my design part, this is my form design, means activity design actually. Just double click and open. In the left hand side, the Android tools are there. So when you are required to use any tools, then you need to drag and drop these tools. Drag and drop the tool, right? This is a label, this is my label. I need to I need to create another label. It's very simple. Just go to the label options in the toolbox and label. This is, for example, I was using a medium text. Just click and just design inside this. This is my label, medium label, and just go to the properties option. This is my properties, and just change the name. This is ID text view 1, and text was medium text. I just changed the text. Welcome to the Android application. This is my text, right? Okay. Now just save, and inside these two options are there, two tab are there, design and source. Just go to the source, and this is a XML based source, this is a design part, and this is a design coding, right? So Android text was welcome to the Android application, Android text appearance, Android attributes, and text appearance medium, means this is the controls targets layout with match parents, and layout height wrap content, and Android ID was at the rate plus this is a syntax ID underscore slash and text view1. Text view1 is the your text box name, means text view1 name. Okay. uh, Label name, inside the Visual Studio 1 I have created label, and inside the Android application we are using a text view. In the text view many fields are there, just like text large, text medium, text small, text view. Okay, now I just run this application, just click on debug option. It was just run an emulator, and it was just take a much time to open the emulator because emulator is very slow. Just click on yes. We are about to launch a mono Android application with Google Android. Is emulator are slow? Yes, because I need to open this. Now process are going on. Okay, it was take a time. Okay, this is open the Android emulator and just unlock this. This is a mono for Android API. This is Google API, and okay, you just open my activity, means form built with evolution software. My first application in Android. This is my what my first application in Android, and just put down massive welcome to the Android applications, right? This is a predefined buttons, which is the whenever you create your projects, then is automatically come in the activity the button. So this is my button. This is a one click and two click. This is already coding implemented, but I have created one label, welcome to the Android application. This is my label, right? This is my first applications, right? So we require to go to the back, just click on back option, and some menu are there. This is emulator menu, and suppose you require to install inside this is also possible. Suppose you require to and learn these, how to create your one Android application, one own Android application. This is my first application. This is application, just show it. This is my first application, right? Just click on my first application. This is my first application. You just open, right? But you require to create your own build your own application with using a database. Then you just watch my next video. Thank you very much.